In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Stripe account. First, head to Dashboard. Stripe.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you are using the right login for the specific business you want to remove. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt as usual. It's a good idea to do this from a desktop browser so you can clearly see all the options in the dashboard. Once you are in, look to the top right corner of the Stripe dashboard for the gear icon labeled Settings. Click that. This opens your account's configuration area where Stripe keeps all of the important controls related to your business, payments, and security. Inside Settings, find the section called Business Settings. Under that group, select Account Details. This page summarizes your business information and administrative options. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business in Stripe. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Account Details page. You'll see a button labeled Close Account. Before you click it, remember that closing your account stops your ability to accept payments through this account and may affect any connected tools or integrations you've set up. If you need any records for bookkeeping or taxes, consider downloading statements or reports beforehand, because after closure you won't be using this dashboard to manage activity. When you are ready, click Close Account. Stripe will ask you to verify that it's really you. Depending on your security settings, you'll either be prompted to enter your account password or to enter a 6-digit verification code that's sent to your email. This is a normal security check to prevent accidental or unauthorized changes. Enter the requested verification information carefully. Once that's submitted, Stripe will show a final confirmation. Review the message so you understand the impact of closing your account. Then confirm to proceed. After you confirm, Stripe begins the closure process for that account. You may receive a confirmation email letting you know the request has been completed. If you don't see the Close Account button, make sure you are signed in with the appropriate permissions, as only certain roles can close an account. Also, if the layout looks slightly different, don't worry, Stripe occasionally updates their interface. But the Close Account option remains in Account Details under Business Settings. And that's it. You've successfully closed your Stripe account by signing in, opening Settings, navigating to Business Settings and Account Details, scrolling to the bottom, and confirming closure with your password or a verification code. Thanks for watching.